Here at Dunn-Edwards, we want to get the right product, the right color at the right price. It's a hassle to have to go back and forth from a job and trying to figure out what that color is. So what we've created is our mobile color match. Now we bring the color to our customers. I think we've done a really good job of addressing one of our customers' biggest concern, and that is getting the color right the first time. We took what we have inside of our stores and applied it to this trailer. It's got a fully capable tint machine inside of there. It's a hero. It's got a MetaView eye match, which is very accurate in matching colors. The colorant is being mixed at all times. I mean, we have really done a phenomenal job with this truck to make sure that the color is going to be done correctly the first time, every time, and it matches right on the spot. The ability to really go up there, look at what color you're interested with, and turn it around in under an hour, and have it done right the first time. There's a lot to be said for that, and there's a lot of time to be saved for that. And the one thing that we can give our customers back is time. We have always made a reputation on being partners with our customers, and I think this will solidify that even stronger because we heard what they had to say, and we listened, and we put it into action. If you're interested in learning more, please contact your local sales rep.